At ArtzFolio, we don't just create art, we provide the canvas, raw materials, MDF boards or acrylic sheets for it too. Our premium acrylic sheets come in a variety of sizes and finishes, perfect for art, display, and functional design. Now, let's have a look at its functionality.
Hey everyone, back again with these Art 3D Pet plexiglass sheets. I want to show you guys my favorite feature about these, and that would just be how versatile these are, all the things that you can use these for. So I love to give these to my kids just to use as like dry erase boards. They're super easy, basically mess-free way to have your kids color and create, and then they can just easily wipe it off with a wet paper towel and start over. So super easy. I also love that you can use these in like a replacement picture frame. So if your like plexiglass on your picture frame broke or just needs a new one for a fresh quality, these work great, and they do come in different sizes. So you can choose what size you need for what you're using it for. So that is my favorite feature. I hope that this was helpful.